Hello friend, today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, UP, Haryana, MP and any another state, then it is most important for exam point of view, so you can prepare it without wasting of time. So let's start. Question number E3. Discuss and describe relative roles of the knower and the known in knowledge transmission and knowledge creation. Okay, answer is relative roles of the knower and the known in knowledge transmission and construction. Knowledge is the understanding about the relationship. The relationship of the knower with the known. In other words, it is the relationship of the subject with the object. Okay. Knowledge is the result of knower is active engagement with the object of knowledge. Knowledge and its intensity depend on the relationship between the knower and the known. Further, knowledge is understood in terms of enlightenment. As such, epistemology deals with two fundamental problems of knowledge: origin of knowledge and validation of knowledge. The discussion on origin of knowledge focuses on the relative roles of knower and the known in the making of knowledge in the process it. Okay. Next, generated wealth of knowledge on both ways and form of knowing and knowledge. In order to know the origin of knowledge, it is required to focus on process of how we come to know. Okay. Process of coming to know begins with knower, the subject, engagement with to be known, the object, the knower, engagement and relationship begins with his her contact with to be known. The contact takes place through senses in context, physical, biological, socio-cultural and other. Role of knower, teacher in knowledge transmission and construction. ओके जो नोअर होते हैं, टीचर होते हैं, इसका क्या रोल है? नॉलेज ट्रांसमिशन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन. ओके. टीचिंग इज अ प्रोफेशन which must renew itself constantly in order to keep pace with current change. The role of teacher may be taken on by anyone. Example, when showing a colleague how to perform a specific task. When showing a colleague how to perform a specific task. Generally, teachers play a significant role in various teaching learning situations such follows. टीचर एज अ ट्रांसमीटर ऑफ नॉलेज. टीचर क्या है? नॉलेज को ट्रांसमिट करने वाला. ओके. द टीचर प्राइमरी फंक्शन इज टू ब्रेक इंफॉर्मेशन एंड स्किल इनटू स्मॉल इंक्रीमेंट, present them part to whole in an organized fashion and then reward student behavior that mirror the reality presented by teacher and text. For the teacher as transmitter, classroom activity might include responding to questions in a chapter, taking notes from a lecture, or responding to cues provided by a computer. Okay. Next point is टीचर एज अ रोल मॉडल. टीचर को क्या बताया गया है? रोल मॉडल. द रोल मॉडल मीन्स दैट व्हाट द टीचर सेज, डज और डिमोन्स्ट्रेट इन क्लास सर्व्स एज अ मॉडल फॉर स्टूडेंट टू follow and learn from, and teachers adopting this role perceive their behavior to be influentially to student development. They serve as an example to learner of a successful professional in a field, a standing to which they might aspire themselves. The importance of a teacher as a role model has been documented extensively. Pupils tend to emulate from their teacher in the course of teaching and learning process. Teacher as a facilitator. A teacher is a facilitator in the learning and teaching process. In the past, the teacher was considered the only source of knowledge, but nowadays the orientation is different. Instead, the teacher is not considered to be the only source of knowledge, but rather a facilitator. टीचर को क्या बताया गया है यहाँ पे? फैसिलिटेटर. जो भी लर्निंग मटेरियल्स हो उसको प्रोवाइड करना. ओके. इन द लर्निंग प्रोसेस. ओके. लर्निंग प्रोसेस में जो भी लर्निंग मटेरियल हो उसको प्रोवाइड करना. टीचर के पास नॉलेज भी होना चाहिए, उसके साथ एज अ फैसिलिटेटर भी उसको वर्क करना चाहिए. द टीचर इज नॉट अ डेज कंसिडर्ड जस्ट एज अ फैसिलिटेटर. नेक्स्ट, टीचर एज अ निगोटिएटर. टीचर को क्या बताया गया है? निगोटिएटर. Negotiation skills refers to the ability and willingness to discuss critical issues in a calm and open way so as to build consensus or agreement based on mutual understanding without taking advantage of either side. This provides a way out of difficult situation. Okay. Next, they act in following way: negotiating with a student, negotiating between a student, negotiating with parent, negotiating with other professional. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, टीचर एज अ को लर्नर. टीचर को क्या बताया गया है? को लर्नर. ओके. द मॉडर्न डे एकेडमिक हैव बीन डिमांडिंग फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द क्लच ऑफ बिजनेस माइंडसेट एंड विल नॉट सर्वाइव If education is continued to be treated as a factory for resource creation, becoming a co-learner can help in the survival of the teacher. Controlling the student can be easy and guiding them will be more fruitful. A student will be more ready to consult and collaborate with you. Next point, teacher as a manager. The teacher as a manager might model strategies for chunking information, encourage a student to build connection using advanced organizer and concept map, and eventually help a student to acquire technique for regulating their own thinking process by managing an environment in which a student gain experience at consuming information and asking questions about it. Teacher help a student to develop their own independent abilities to review historical material. Okay, next, role of non-learner in knowledge transmission and construction. First point is act as an apprentice. Learner are engaged actively. Learner are engaged actively in learning activity. They develop knowledge of a field by working in it under the direction of an expert. Next point is act as a builder. They construct the knowledge product design into an activity by the instructor. The product could be discrete example or diagram, an easy example or diagram, an essay, or collective example website, an e-portfolio. Next, act as a case study worker. Learners are assessed as a part of daily learning through a range of activities including dialogue and interaction with peers and teacher, practical investigation, performances, oral presentation, and discussion. They analyze case studies to identify and understanding the underlying principle and practices implicit in the cases. Okay, next point, act as a context explorer. They gain an understanding of how others view on a given issue or problem by exploring the context. They bring to the process their fact, emotion, motives, personal standard, behavior, etc. Okay, etc. Now we will discuss about next point, act as an independent researcher. They use a self-directed, systemic, discipline-based process to collect, analyze, and interpret knowledge or information. Next point is act as a listener. They listen for detail and concept in order to increase his or her knowledge. Okay, next point, act as a peer mentor. They support fellow learner over time by guiding, assessing them with their development as a learner, discipline specific and or general. Next or last point, act as a peer teacher. They gain a deeper understanding of a topic or field through the through the preparation and interaction involved in teaching other student. Okay, thank you friends, hope you will learn something new. Thank you for watching this video.